I was working with an actor, Gulshan Grover, on a film down in Hyderabad, an American movie. He was cast, I'd known him before. He had been cast in Mumbai, I beg your pardon, Mumbai, and I'd been cast in Los Angeles. And I was complaining about the state of my teeth, and he said, "You must see my dentist." And I said, "Really? Where?" He said, "Mumbai." So I thought, okay. So took down the details and forgot about it. And then I had a bad experience with an implant in Beverly Hills. It cost me a lot of pain, a lot of grief, a lot of money. And finally they had to take it out. So I thought, well, we'll contact this guy. So I contacted the doctor here. Saved my life. So what I did, I contacted him, and he has this setup, this fabulous setup. You go on the internet, you find out the facts. Then you send him an X-ray. He then evaluates your problem, all by email, and you set a deal. Everything is laid down for your timing, when you can be done, how quickly it's done. And that was the extraordinary thing, that it could be planned over a 10-day period. Now, I didn't know the amount of work that I would have to have done. In fact, it turned out I thought I was going to have 5 implants in the top of in here. But I didn't. I wound up with 7 implants, which I needed, and also 4 in the bottom, and caps. And it was all completed with very little discomfort in a period of 10 days, the first visit. Now, I was used to going to the dentist 4 or 5 times, four times for a 1 implant setup, which went wrong for me. I discovered that with this guy, I came along, boom, boom, he did the work, did the surgery, removed my teeth, I had a break, I planned a holiday, I went to Goa, came back from Goa. I had a what's it called? It's a temporary denture. A temporary denture. I had a temporary denture. I went away for 6 months. I did a play in New York with a temporary denture, which I was terrified about, but it worked because it was good, great work, great quality. Came back 6 months later, finished, over, 2 visits to India. Price, extraordinary by comparison with Beverly Hills or Harley Street. Wonderful. And the planned treatment. And what the factor I did discover was that the implants that are being used, that are actually being used here, are the gold standard implants for worldwide. They're used in America, in Beverly Hills, they're used in Harley Street. Exactly the same Swedish company is producing them. What's the name of the company?
Nobel Biocare. The one that we're using, Nobel Biocare.
All right, Nobel Biocare. Swedish company. You know, I didn't know anything about this. I'm an actor, I'm not a dentist. So, but I'm very, very fussy. And I've wound up with those. Haha.
If you look at the costs that are attached to dental implants in the rest of the Western world, you're looking at anywhere between $5,000 upwards, including in Europe, in the US, wherever it is, while you're looking at maybe 1/4, 1/5 those costs in India. Okay, so there's a huge advantage of costs. But even people from abroad can save a lot of money by coming into India, getting it done here, and if you can assure them the same quality of work, in fact sometimes better quality of work, then why wouldn't they come? Most of the patients that are coming here not just for the cost, because if that was the case, then you could use very low quality stuff and then people would not be happy. But what we have to stress on is that it's the same quality of treatment that is being offered to you at a lesser cost. And that, I think, that's the message that should go out to everybody, that it's the same quality, but it's a more reasonable cost that you're going to pay.